Gandhinagar in the Department of Material Science and Engineering. I'm with IIT Gandhinagar for about 6 years now. Uh, how I joined IIT Gandhinagar in 2010 when I was looking for a job. A friend of mine had visited IIT Gandhinagar, and when he came back, he told me about a very dynamic personality, and he said that there is a director at IIT Gandhinagar who is very dynamic, and the institute is coming up very beautifully, and you should apply at that place. So I decided to apply to IIT Gandhinagar. Got a call for interview. Had an interview with the faculty members and Professor Jain also. And finally, I joined the institute in November 2011. And since joining the institute, I have been working in the Department of Material Science. I have worked with the different colleagues to work on different projects. I have worked to develop a lab in the department. So we have a metallography lab, which I developed with another colleague of mine. Since my days at IIT Kharagpur, I have been very interested in working for the IIT system, developing processes, developing systems for the IIT culture, and keeping that in mind, I joined as a warden for the boys' hostel. It's called Ashok Vihar Hostel in the old campus. So I was warden for the old campus Ashok Vihar Hostel for about a year and a half, and I was also working as the faculty search committee member initially, and then the faculty search committee chairman for almost a year. And lately, about 2 years, I have been working with the Office of Alumni Relations as a coordinator, faculty coordinator, and my responsibilities are to make sure that the alumni at IIT Gandhinagar are feeling welcome, are feeling connected to the institute, and at the same time do feel the responsibility to give back to the institute. So I work with the alumni to uh, organize webinars, organize seminars for the students. I invite them back to the campus to have interaction with the students. We have been having alumni meetings at the campus. We have had two alumni meets so far, one in summer and one in December. And we also have a very vibrant alumni community which is giving back to the institute in the form of monetary donations. And from that, we have been able to actually generate scholarship for the students. So we have this semester we have given three scholarships to students from the class of 2015 and class of 2016, and so we have about 22% of the BTech alumni community who is giving back to the institute. So that's something which is very good considering the IT system which we have. So that's the kind of role which I have, and so far looking at the trajectory of IIT Gandhinagar, I believe that we are on a very good path to become one of the best IIT in the system, and to be able to compete with some of the really good institutes across the world.